Worth it pa ba ang 900 pesos entrance fee sa Yoki's Farm this 2026? Here's everything you can expect before you go. We first visited Yoki's noong December 2025 and nakakatuwa kasi ang dami na nilang improvements since then. Before heading there, nag-lunch muna kami sa La Granja which is only around 15 minutes away. We visited on a Wednesday, June 24. Si Ate Darren nga pala yung naging tour guide namin na instant ate sa mga kiddos. And for our first stop, pumunta kami sa rabbits and guinea pigs. Pwede silang hawakan pero syempre always be gentle. Then we visited the koi pond and may stingray nga rin pala dito. Grabe yung lalaki nila. Then next was the turtle area and isa ito sa pinaka na-enjoy talaga ng mga bata. We fed them, took lots of photos, and medyo nagtagal kami rito kasi sobrang aliw ng feeding experience. After that, we went to the bird interaction area. Nakakatuwa kasi nilipat na nila to dito. Before, malapit siya sa playground kaya bago matapos yung tour, playground na agad yung nasa isip ng anak ko. We also walked through the owner's amazing brass and silver collection and sobrang impressive, especially yung giant Buddha. Sabi ng anak ko, super happy daw nung Buddha. Then we met the baby pot-bellied pigs. Kamukhang-kamukha ni Babe the Pig. Ang cute talaga nila. Then next was the alpaca. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi baka dumura pero mabait naman siya kaya nagpa-picture pa kami. Then we headed to the savannah area where we fed the zebras and got close to the ostriches and small horses. Sa labas naman ng savannah, nandito nga pala si Kevin, yung sa movie na Up. Kalahi raw to ng dinosaur and kayang bumutas ng bungo ng tao gamit ng tuka niya. And of course, hindi mawawala tong mga chickens na parang nakapajama. Ang cute nila. Then we visited the reptile area where we saw different snakes, spiders, iguanas, and other reptiles. We also visited the monkeys, owls, ducks, peacocks, and peahens. And our last stop was the capybaras. Para silang walis ang balahibo. We got to feed them too because they're very gentle and harmless. One thing we realized is that 3 years old and above yung sweet spot for bringing kids to zoos. Kasi at this age, they already appreciate the animals, get amazed, and really enjoy the experience. For us, the 900 pesos entrance fee was super worth it. Kids below 3 nga pala are free. May playground pa sa dulo ng tour which the kids absolutely love. And since we visited on a weekday, parang kami lang halos ang tao. So I highly recommend going on a weekday too para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung experience. So if you're planning to visit Yoki's Farm, huwag na kayo masyadong mag-isip. Schedule nyo na yan. Promise, sobrang mag-e-enjoy kayo rito.